What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy, which has pumped up in value quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is up just about 12%, making it 0.004764 cents in value. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to invest? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell if you're on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. And also, with 2023 just around the corner, is Jasmy a good investment? Should you invest into it, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So I'm just going to get rid of this Fibonacci scale. We're going to start off with the Coinbase website. We can see the market is up just about 1% in the last 24 hours, and Jasmy has managed to gain the second top gainers spot in the top gainers list, in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, managed to gain over a percentage. Over the last day, 11%. Over the week, it is 8% down, and over the month, a massive 33% down, guys. So it's been consistently dropping in value for the past 4 weeks. Yes, it had its peaks here and there in between, but overall it has not been performing too well, and more or less it has been moving more on the negative direction rather than the positive. So yeah, today's pump is just a minimal pump compared to how much it's dropped, and it's very likely it's going to drop back down in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has gone up by a massive 121% in the last 24 hours, making it $104 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Jasmycoin. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention recently, a lot of hype, especially in the last 24 hours. We've seen more people investing into it, and also people selling the crypto. We've got a massive 92% buy against 8% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you can see at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which at the moment is here in purple, just about 0.005254. However, it is trading at a lower value at 0.004760, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here that the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the coming hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall minimal increase in value. However, that is not what my predictions are. The only reason why we are seeing blue and orange lines going in a bullish direction, looking quite steep, is because of the major increase that's taking place over the last couple of hours. As you can see here, the graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. As you guys have seen on the monthly chart and even on the weekly chart, it was dropping like crazy, and that is exactly what I'm expecting it to carry on doing. More drops in value over the coming. Again, it's not going to be a major drop over the next 12 to 14 hours. It is going to be a minimal drop in value, but the whole point is that I do expect it to move more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, we are still looking bullish, still looking positive, and again, exact same reason applies here, is because of the last couple of hours. However, over the next few days, so towards the end of this week, I am expecting an overall drop in value on Jasmy, dropping down to how much it was worth before, around the 0.004200 target is where I'm expecting it to fluctuate towards the end of this week. However, this may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Jasmy or any cryptos in general. But anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? Again, we've got the orange line just about looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, more drops in value is what my predictions are over the coming weeks. So let's say late November, early December, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on Jasmy. Again, it's been dropping for the past couple of months and it's very likely it's going to carry on that way. Yes, we may see little peaks here and there in between green candles, but overall it's very likely it's going to be moving in a negative direction. But yeah, as mentioned guys, if Bitcoin does decide to pump up to about 35k, then we may see major increases in value, not just on Bitcoin but on Jasmy and most of the cryptos out there as well. However, if we do see Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k, then yes, we are going to see major drops on most cryptos as well. But I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, there isn't much we can do here. Only reason for that is, as you guys can clearly see, we are not only trading in the red zone, but we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone, literally not even worth 1 cent at the moment. And for us to hit the green target, we're going to have to hit the resistance target, sorry, we're going to have to at least 64 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon. That's going to require us to go through around a 7,000-8,000% increase, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy. So more or less for the rest of this year and potentially over the next few years, is very likely we are going to be trading in the green, sorry, not the green zone, the red zone. But yeah, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, so far guys, the red zone it is for the rest of this year and potentially over the coming years as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. People are investing into it. As you can see, we've got, if we go into the live chat, where is it? Somewhere around here. I'm bullish on Jasmy. A lot of people are bullish. Jasmy flight to Mars, so on and so on. Jasmy, she's always going to come back no matter how back she beats you. So yeah, again, a lot of people are for it as well. A lot of people are investing their money into projects like this, so more increases in value may be expected. However, as far as I know, from my predictions, from the research I've done so far, I'm not expecting any major increases from this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. Just a quick one on Jasmy, a highly requested video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take it and peace.